Always a joy to have you here at DepEd TV Eskwela, a program where education continues at your very own television. I am your teacher Mark R. CLARAVALL, and this is our very first episode of DepEd EPAS NCII lesson. Come, let's explore and study the world of electronics. What is soldering? Soldering is a process in which two or more metal items are joined together by melting and flowing a filler metal solder into the joint. What is the use of soldering? It is used to form a permanent connection between electronic components embedded in the PCB. What is the importance of soldering? Number 1, to make sure that the components can last for more than a few days. Number 2, it prevents oxidation of the joint components for the long period of time. What are the 3 basic principles of soldering? 3 basic principles of soldering are: number 1, clean the soldering iron. Clean the electronic components. Clean the printed circuit board or PCB. Using brush or clean rag. Number 2 is heating. Connecting parts must be heated to a proper temperature evenly. Number 3, soldering. The proper amount of solder must be supplied to a properly heated spot. Number 1. Automatic soldering is an automated system that performs the application of solder paste, preheating, soldering, cooling, drying, and hardening. Example, robot soldering. Number 2. Manual soldering, a method of soldering which is performed by men. Safety precautions. Please remove all jewelry or accessories before performing the activity. Always wear personal protective equipment or PPE like face mask, and eye protective equipment like clear glasses or goggles. Avoid or no eating or drinking in the working area. Always read the user's manual in order for you to familiarize the specification of your tool. I recommend use 30-watt soldering iron. Soldering iron stand, sponge, rag, flux cord solder, and electronic components. Always put the soldering iron in the soldering iron stand when you are not soldering. Always wash your hands with soap immediately after soldering. Washing hands properly will prevent dirt, viruses, and bacteria spreading to other people, surfaces, and objects. And lastly, do not work alone without the guidance of your parents, your guardians, or older siblings. If accidents happen, no one will see you. Always remember, safety first.